After working to make the new Mokka reality, it's time for the next big news. New Opel, new Mokka, new experience. Let me explain why I'm so excited. For the first time in Opel's history, new Mokka is available as a fully electric BEV version from day one. It is also available as an Instagram and Facebook filter, allowing me to place it anywhere I want and also allowing me to place myself next to it, sort of. Let's start with a bold statement, the front of the car with the new Opel visor. This technology hub is framing the segment-leading Intellilux matrix LED headlamps and of course also the legendary Opel Blitz. But it's not only the visor making new Mokka's design so iconic. It's the overall proportions of the car combined with this very pure and very bold design language. Paired with all high-tech powertrains, new Mokka is not only fun to look at, but also fun to drive. I'm sure there's much more to explore with the Mokka AR filter. So now it's time to get creative. The stage is yours.